Wood. Imported. Removable toy storage bins for playtime and easy cleanup. Easy to assemble toy organizer for blocks, crayons, toy trucks, dolls, and more is great for boys and girls ages 3 years and up. 12 rugged plastic toy bins are interchangeable, 8 standard and 4 large storage containers. Additional standard and large bins sold separately. Sturdy engineered wood construction is durable, easy to clean, and includes steel dowels to support toy bins. Top reviews from the United States. Brilliant product. This product was easy to assemble. Done it on my own. Picture instructions, but the wooden sides are easy to notice what way round they go. Same for the feet. It's sturdy and very nice gray. Buckets are perfect size, although don't fill too much as things may slide out, but still holds a fair amount in them. I'm so pleased with this product and money well spent.